Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this LED light right here, and let's go ahead and do a quick overview of the box before getting into the unboxing. So it says LED lights, and as you can see it has different colors and it says color changing, so it can be used as a party light. The most amazing part of it is waterproof, which I'm going to explain after the unboxing. It says dynamic lighting for parties and decor, home decor. So this is not a sponsored video, I bought the product myself. It says 3 batteries required. Well, it's not included, and it can be submersible inside the water. It says that I'll explain that later. It has a remote control included. Nothing big in the back. It says 3 batteries required that are not included. So now let's go ahead and unbox the whole thing. It has an IP68 water resistant, water and dust resistant. So it's just like the old Samsung phones. Remember the Samsung Galaxy S7 and lineup from that S8 and 9, they had the IP68. So anyways, so this is the light itself. Seems pretty normal, seems pretty nothing big, I would say. Packaging is also simple. It's included with a manual and a remote, which is surprising. It's small, so you can set it up on a wall or any type of decor and it'll look good. So now let's go ahead and pop this out. So we have this strap right here that you can pull off, and so I can explain why it's waterproof, because it has the rubber taping right here, and the way you put the batteries in is like you screw it off and the batteries go here. So if you lock it securely, and because it has some rubber tape, it'll just seal the whole thing inside and it becomes waterproof. So that's gotta be it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.